Okay, we are going to figure out how we can loop through an array to display the biggest number in the console. So how would you do that? Why don't you try to do it on your own? Stop the video and try using what you've learned so far. How would you loop through an array and have the console display the largest number in the array, which is 87? All right. So let's take a crack at it. First thing we're going to do is create a variable called biggest and give it a value of 0. Then we're going to create the for loop. And as always, the for loop starts with I equals 0. I is less than, and it's going to be array.length because you want it to loop through the array called that you have there. And you want to say if biggest is less than array bracket I, then biggest is equal to array I. So basically what you're saying right there is going to take the value of biggest, which is 0, and it's going to loop through that array, and it's going to compare 0 to each of those numbers. And it's going to say if biggest is less than 10, then biggest is equal to 10. So it's not equal to 0 anymore, it's equal to 10 now. Then it'll continue looping and it'll say is biggest less than 55, which 10 is less than 55. So now the value of biggest is 55. It's not 10 anymore. It's going to look at 22, and of course it's not less than 22, so it's still going to be 55. The value won't change. And so on and so forth, and it will say, okay, 55 is less than 87. So now the value of biggest becomes 87. So when you look at the console, inspect and click on console, the value is 87. And I had something pre-typed here I wanted to just put on the video to kind of drive the point in here. And basically, it loops through the entire array and compares the biggest to each number. And that's how it works. Okay. And that's it. Thank you for watching.